This module is going to show an iframe window to a specific location, and up here on the top right is where we put in the URL that we want to show. So like most modules, we need to give it a title, choose to show the title or not, set the position, set our status, our access level, and the ordering, give it a start date and a finishing date if we want. These are optional. Down here at the bottom, we need to assign the pages that we want this module to show on. And we can do that by selecting no pages and then only on the pages selected, and that will free these boxes up so we can start selecting pages. Once you're on a specific tab, you can actually select all by clicking select all. You'll notice that does not affect the items back here, so if I want to clear selection, and it clears all these under career opportunities. If I click on main menu, it did not clear these. So these functions here, select all, clear selection, toggle selection, only affect the tab that you're on, the items that are on the current tab that you're in. So if I select this one, and then I hit toggle, main menu, and I hit clear selection, these are still unaffected by the action that I took when I was on the main menu tab. Clicking clear selection did not affect the things on the career opportunities. On the far right here, we got the URL that we're going to show in our iframe. The auto add. It says by default http:// will be added unless it detects http:// or https:// in the URL you provide. This allows you to switch this ability off, so you can choose to add it or not. Then we've got scroll bars. When it renders the iframe, do we want it to show scroll bars? Typically that's going to be a yes, depending upon the height of the iframe you're bringing in. Here's where we set the width and the height of the iframe, the auto height. This is what gets confusing because we have a height here. Well, if we do an auto height, the height will automatically be set to the site of the external page. This only works for your pages on your own domain. So you can choose the auto height or not. Again, play with these settings and see how it affects the layout of the page that you happen to be publishing this module on. There's a frame border option, which wraps around the iframe. You can choose to show that or not. And then there's a target name. So it's the name of the iframe when it's used as a target, because you can send people to a specific target on a page based on a link from another page and send them to a very specific piece of content. So here's where you would put the name of your target for this iframe. The advanced layouts, you've got alternative layout, you've got a module class suffix that can be applied for custom styling to this template, to this module, depending upon your template that you're using. You can also build your own CSS classes and CSS styling for this module by putting them in template.css and then calling or referring to those classes here. And we have some caching for the module. On the top right, we've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel. Cancel cancels out the whole operation. And save, these three buttons, save, save and close, save and new, are pretty self-explanatory, except save, when you click it, leaves you on this page but still saves the changes. Save and close obviously saves and close, and save and new, when you click it, it saves the changes and leaves you brings you back to this page with all these fields blank again, ready to do another one in a nutshell. So yeah, hope that helps. Thanks.